You've got big goals, but somehow when you get to Monday morning, you don't know what to actually work on. You're busy, but you're not sure if you're busy with the right things. And I felt that way too. My name is Deandra Filicetti, and I'm the founder of Driven by Co. And this tool right here, it's the foundation of everything I do every single year. And it's called the Goal Setting and Strategic Action Plan. And I'm going to show you how to use it step by step. We start at the top with our 3-year goals. Before we talk about what we want to do this year, this is where we actually zoom out. We're looking at 8 different areas of your life: career, business, financial, education, health and wellness, personal development, personal goals, and spirituality and relationships. Anything that you want to achieve in each of these 8 areas, I want you to write down in this table. What do you want each of these areas of your life to look like in 3 years? So don't overthink it too much, but dream a little bit. This is your planning direction. So once you've filled in your 3-year vision, it's time to get real about what matters most to you right now. And so you're going to identify your primary priorities and then your secondary priorities for the year. So what you can do is actually take a green highlighter and highlight all of your primary priorities in this table. So when this is filled up with all of your goals and vision for the 3 years, then you can go in and highlight 1 to 3, at most 5, but 1 to 3 primary priorities. And then you'll actually put them on the next page for your focus. And then you can go in with a yellow highlighter and take a look at your secondary priorities. These come into consideration after you've taken care of your primary priorities. So go in there and highlight with yellow, and then you'll put them in your focus for the secondary focus right here. And here you want to select maybe 1 or 2. And here's my favorite part, your dream. This is the big, bold, almost scary thing that you're working towards. Write it down, don't edit it, just let it be there on the page. Then you'll map out what each quarter looks like. So Q1 through to Q4. Here you can take your focus areas, your primary and secondary priorities, and place them across each of the quarters of the year. So that this tells you exactly what priorities you should be focusing on during each part of the year. I also include a section for collaborations. If there are particular collaborations that you want to get, put them here so that they're visible for each quarter. Now, here is my favorite part. Here's where the magic happens. This is the strategic action plan. This is the month-by-month breakdown of your entire year from January through to December, all on one page. And what you want to do is refer to your quarterly plan and plug in the specific actions that you're going to want to take on a month-by-month basis. This will help keep you focused. So those Monday mornings when you're not sure what to do, you can refer back to this every month. And you don't want to fill up each of these cubes with a bunch of tasks. You want to keep it focused to those priorities and the specific action steps that will help you achieve them. Think small, actionable steps, not big, overwhelming tasks. And think, what can you do in January to move your Q1 goal forward? And then what needs to happen in February to keep the momentum going? When you do this, you stop waiting for motivation and you're starting to build a system and an area of focus. And that's really it. 4 sections and your whole year mapped out with intention. That's the 3-year vision, your priorities, your quarterly focus, and then your monthly action steps. If you want to grab this template for yourself, the link is in the description. And if this was at all helpful, drop a comment below and tell me what's your #1 focus for this year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.